welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my minimalist makeup collection. My entire makeup collection fits in this one bag. It saves me time in the morning when I get ready, and as well, I save tons of money because I reduce the amount of products that I buy. So let's start with my handbag. So having a small, as I mentioned, having a small handbag helps me in the morning. I'm a busy mom, so I don't pretty much have too much time on myself. So having a small collection helps me just, wherever I go, I just grab and go. After I moisturize, I use this Benefit Professional primer. I like using this primer because it reduces any shininess and it makes it a polished finish. I actually don't wear foundation. I haven't purchased foundation ever since I was working in the office. I ran out of my foundation and I just simply haven't bought any just because I feel like I don't need it at the moment. And also, since we're wearing masks when we're out in public, I find it that there's really no need for it. So as of right now, I'm not using any foundation and I'm sticking with that. It's giving my skin some time to breathe and I don't feel heavy or cakey at the end of the day. So I'm actually really enjoying that I'm not using foundation at the moment. To cover up my under eye circles and any blemishes that I have, I use this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I actually love this concealer. It's lightweight and it provides like medium coverage, or even it provides good coverage, so I have no complaints of this. So to add some warmth back to my face, because we are in the winter months right now and you want to add some more warmth into your face and some definition, I just added to the outer areas of my face and my cheekbone area. I actually also use this as an eyeshadow. So I will add this to the crease of my eyelid, to the outer corner, just to add again some warmth and definition and bring out my eyes. So I would totally recommend, if you're trying to reduce the number of products that you have, purchase items that have dual purpose, or even if they're not market as dual purpose item. So for blush, I use this NARS blush. It's kind of like a pink tone. You could also use this on your eyelid, and if you want to have some color, and even mix these two up to make some color together. So for highlighter, I have this NARS highlighter, and it is falling apart into pieces, but there's still some remaining product in it, and a little bit goes a long way, and I love this product. It gives me like this shimmery glow radiance, and you pretty much don't need too much of this, and it will just get the job done. And I love using this on the bridge of my nose, on the temple of my cheeks, as well as the temple of my eyebrows and the inner corner of my eyes. You want to jazz up your natural look to look more radiant. I totally recommend using a highlighter. I love using highlighters. I love the glow, the shimmery glow for that. So I actually use my hands to apply my concealer, and the other tool that I have is this Real Technique blush brush, and I use this for my bronzer, and I also use it for my blush. I don't really mind if I'm mixing the two products together, just because they're neutral color palettes, and even if they blend together, it will still make a good color. Another tool that I have is this eyelash curler. I go a little bit more on my eyes just because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, so I don't even feel like it's a bit too heavy. So for my eyelashes, I do have long lashes, so I like to curl them up, and it brings out my eyes and just makes it bigger and pop without having I even go without even mascara, just using my my eyelash curler. It'll just bring out my eyes, curl it, and I won't even need mascara for the day on a regular day basis. But when I do want to wear some mascara, I use this L'Oreal Voluminous Original. I used to buy high-end products for mascara, but at the end of the day, I noticed that they pretty much do the same job. So I apply a few, one to three coats of mascara. And yeah, I typically do the top lashes, and then sometimes for special occasions or where I'm going for a bold, sultry look, I do the bottom lashes. So yeah. So I actually also use eyeliner. I don't line my entire eye just because I feel like it's a bit too dramatic for me, and I just don't like the look of it. And also I don't have that precise precision to apply the liner to my entire eye. So I just create a little eye, a little cat eye on the outer corner of my eye, and I feel like it reshapes my eye into an almond shape, and it gives me that subtle cat eye without looking too dramatic and like looking too done up. So for my eyebrows, I like a uniform eyebrow look. So I've been using, even though I do have thick eyebrows, I'm still it's still patchy in certain areas where I want it to look more thick. So I do use an eyebrow pencil, mostly on the outer corner of my eyebrow. And I've been using this Revlon Color Stay Brow Creator, and I actually love this. It has like 3 parts. It has a brush, and it has like this powder eyebrow cut, like this powder eyebrow thingy, and then it has a pencil. So it's like 3 in 1. It was inexpensive. I got it at Target, and I bought this a color soft brown just because I find that if I use a black eyebrow pencil, it'll just look too heavy on me. So for my everyday lip color, I use this Burt's Bees pink color. I just dab it on my lips, and I am wearing it right now. I just use it for a little tint of color on my lips, and for it to look youthful, and not even like trying too hard to look it natural looking. So makeup collection, as you can see, I have 1 product per area, but the one area that I don't have 1 product per area is my lips. I just liked, whenever I feel like I want to jazz up my look, or for holidays, special occasions, birthdays, date nights, wherever, I like to throw in some color. I have a bold color and it will actually change the whole entire outfit when you're using something so simple as changing your lip color. So for that, my go-to lip color is red lipstick. So I've been using this MAC red lipstick for years now. Not the same one, because makeup do expire and you do want to get rid of those. It's actually more harmful than you're doing good to yourself. But I always catch myself repurchasing these 2 lipsticks because I use them quite often whenever I'm doing a special occasion. So you're wondering, how do I apply those red lipstick? I used these 2 red lip liners, and they're both the same color. I actually just bought them. They're actually duplicates. I'm not gonna throw them out even though they are duplicates, just because I do use these consistently. So when I'm finished with one, I'm just gonna use the other. So why bother just throwing them out when I know I'm gonna repurchase them? So I first line my lips, and then I'll just swipe the lipstick on, and that's it. I'm ready for that bold look. So I hope you enjoyed my makeup collection. If you feel inspired to also reduce, remember that it saves you tons of time in the morning as well as money, because it reduces the amount of products that you use. If you want to create your own makeup collection, remember to purchase items or keep items that are neutral colors. This allows you to create classic, timeless looks. So you could go from work to date night to holidays. You typically have a neutral palette to work with. Keep one product per area, so one concealer, one blush, one highlighter. This helps you keep your makeup collection small and also reduce the temptation of buying duplicate products. Another tip is choose a small makeup bag, so big enough that you're able to fit your makeup collection, as well as small enough that you're limiting yourself with the amount of products that you have. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.